Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my own skincare routine at home. I want my skin to look fresh, clean and glowy. Also, I will be showing you how I remove my whiteheads or blackheads or my facial hair. And here I'm showing you that how I match my top and headband today. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna clean my face, and today I'm using this Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water, and I will ensure that I don't have any dust or oil or makeup on my skin, and you can see how much dirt has come out. Now next step is washing my face with this Face Shop Rise Water Brightening Face Wash, and I have been using this from ages now guys, and it is very good for my dry skin. So if you are from the same category, you can go ahead and give it a try, and you can see how it has brightened my skin. Next step is exfoliating. For that, I'll be taking this Biotic Bio Walnut Purifying Face Scrub. I love this face scrub. You take it in between your fingers, take some water and start scrubbing my face so that all the dead scales can come out. And you have to be very gentle while you're doing this step. You don't want to scratch your face, okay? Also, it is cream based scrub, so it doesn't dry out my skin. So yeah, I just went ahead and washed my face, as you can see, and it is looking nice. Now it's time for some whitehead or blackhead extraction. So first I will boil some water, dip one small face towel in it and keep it on my face like this, and press it for 5 to 10 minutes. It helps in loosening up the pores and for removing my whiteheads or blackheads. I will take this instrument and use this loop that comes behind, and please be very gentle if you're doing this at your home, and especially for those who are trying this for the very first time guys, you don't want to press too hard, and also skip the places where you have active pimple or acne marks. You don't want to try hard to take out your whitehead or blackhead from your acne marks. If it is not coming out, it's absolutely fine, just leave that place, okay? And I will be showing you one more step. So I'll take this Hip Hop Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips, okay? So if you don't want to follow the first step, you can do this. And also I have taken the Hip Hop Under Eye Pad so that I can use it under my eyes to reduce the puffiness under my eyes. So I'll just rub some water on my nose and press this nose strips, and also I will take this eye pad and put it under my eyes so that till the time the nose strip is doing its job, my under eyes can feel some cold, Okay, so yeah, we'll keep it for 10 minutes and then we will remove it and see, okay? Side by side, I will be masking. So I'm using this Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Face Mask, and I'm using this face mask for the very first time today, okay? So it is a clay mask, so it helps in exfoliating and to take out that dead cells from your skin very nicely. And also, as I'm from the dry skin, okay, so if I use anything which has charcoal in it, it kind of dry my face more. So I will suggest you, if you're from the dry skin family, then use this charcoal face mask after every 15 days so that your face doesn't feel super dry, okay? So just take a brush, or you can use your hands, whatever suits you, and apply the complete face mask on your face like I am doing here. And also I will go ahead and apply this face mask on my neck so that everything is clean properly, okay? And I will keep this face mask on my face for around 10 to 12 minutes. You can keep it for 15 minutes also, whatever suits you. It's not a hard and fast rule, okay? So yeah, I will be doing so. And I know I'm looking like a ghost, but what to do, guys? So it's been 15 minutes that I have kept this face mask, my nose strip and the iPad. I have removed my iPad, and then now I will remove this nose strip. Now you have to ensure that you remove it very gently, like very slowly, as I am doing here. If you will remove it at one go, it will not do the job and it will hurt you a lot. So you have to remove it very gently. And now you can see all these white particles. You can see small. These are all my white heads. So I really like this nose strip. I use this for the very first time, okay? So yeah, you can do this if you don't want to follow the instrument wala part, removing the blackheads with that scary instrument. You can go ahead and try this nose strip wala thing in this quarantine at your home. Okay, so I will just take the towel. I have taken a wet face towel and I'll remove all the mask from my face, okay? And now you will be able to see that it has brightened my face so nicely. Now I will take this eyebrow razor and this tweezer to do my eyebrows and also to remove my facial hair. So as I'm doing videos for my channel, so that's the reason I don't have too much growth, because I did my eyebrows few days back for my video. So yeah, but as you can see here that I am using this razor and I'll remove any kind of extra hair from the upper part of my eyebrows like this, okay? And again, if you're doing it for the first time, please be gentle. You have to be very careful while you're doing this. You don't want remove extra hair from your eyebrows and look like a zombie, okay? So here I am done with my eyebrows. It's nice and it's clean and I'm totally sad. अब बारी है मेरे upper lips की. So जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, I am doing my upper lips and it's very simple. You just wanna stretch the place and start moving your razor on the opposite direction of the hair. So here I'm moving it downwards, okay? So like that you can go ahead and remove all the hair. Now I will take a cotton pad and remove all the hair, and just to ensure that I don't have any extra hair, and I'll just give it a check. Now the last thing is to remove all my facial hair. If you guys want to ask me that am I doing this specially because of the quarantine, then the answer is no, guys. I have been using this or doing this from last quite 1.5 year, and ये जो myth है कि आपके hair थिक होते हैं या फिर आप की दाढ़ी बड़ी हो जाती है, this is all a myth. It doesn't happen, okay? I am doing it from last 1.5 years and I'm not able to see any kind of change in my hair growth. ना ही मेरे बाल thick हो रहे हैं, ना ही harsh हुए हैं, okay? So that's how I do my facial hair. Just stretch your face and go on and clean everything you have on your face. And I have taken that cotton swab and I have cleaned my face properly. Now my face is looking very After all this, it's time for some toner. So I'll be taking my favorite Good Vibes Glow Toner and I'll spritzing it all over my face, and I'll take a sweet little shower in it. And after that, it's time for second It's a sheet mask from the brand The Face Shop, and it's in variant olive. Now you'll ask me that I have already done masking, then why I'm using this sheet mask. It's just because that my skin was feeling too dry, and also I used a charcoal face mask which tends to dry your skin because it's a very good exfoliator. So that's the reason I went ahead and I followed this second step. Now you guys can totally skip it. Either you can use a sheet mask, or either you can use a face mask or any DIY face mask. I'll keep this for 15 minutes, and while I am doing this, I will go ahead and scrub my lips. For that I have used the Good Vibes lemon lip scrub, and you need to be very gentle while you are scrubbing your lips. You don't want to be too harsh on your lips. Do it just for good 2 minutes and you're good to go. Then you can just go ahead and wash your lips. Your lips will feel so nice and plump. Okay, so you can follow this step 2 days in a week if you want, and if you're a lipstick lover like me, then you can do it 3 days in a week. I have removed the sheet mask, as you can see, and see how glowy and how hydrating my skin is looking. I am totally loving this. Now you have to just massage this serum into your skin. You don't want to wash the serum. Now as you can see, I am doing a very soft and gentle massage under my eyes. It helps in the blood circulation under your eyes, because the skin under your eyes is very soft, so you need to take care of it. And also you need to pull your skin upwards the way I'm doing. So yeah, you have to massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is a routine which I follow after every 15 days because it has too many steps, and basically इतना आजकल के लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता है कि हम लोग रोज़ इतने सारे steps follow कर सके. So it is a proper skincare routine which I follow twice in a month. Okay. Now I will take this face mist from Good Vibes in the variant lavender, and I'll again take a quick shower in this face mist, and I'm using my hands like a fan. Okay, so I'll again just press this face mist into my skin so that all the goodness of this face mist goes into my skin. Now the last step in this routine is to moisturize your skin. So first I'll take this Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel, and I'll take a little bit of it and I will rub under my eyes, and I'll just massage this eye gel for 1 minute under my eyes. Okay, and then I'll keep it for a while so that it can dry up completely. After this, I will be taking this Biotique Bio Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. This is for all skin types, and guys, as it is a serum, so you have to take a little amount of it, and you don't have to rub it on your face. You have to gently dab it or push it into your face, because it's a serum. It doesn't work as a moisturizer, at least in my skin type, but if you are from the oily skin type, it will also work as a moisturizer. You can totally go ahead and leave it to that part, but I will do one extra step, and that is applying a good moisturizer. So here I have taken Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Pro Retinol from Nature Anti-Aging Cream. I love this cream. I am using this cream from last 1 year or more than that, and I have never switched any other cream with this cream. So I'm using new cream, but I always keep a stock of this cream. Now the final step is to apply some baby lips on my lips. And here I'm trying to be funny, but I'm looking like a joker. क्या करें, थोड़ा सा करना पड़ता है to entertain you guys. So yes, with that I am done with my skincare routine. If you like this video, you know the drill guys. You have to like, follow, subscribe, and also don't forget to share my video with your friends. I will see you guys soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay at home. Bye bye.